We've been carrying rawhide laces for a long time, obviously, as long as we can have inventory. So people want different colors for their jacket, for the side lace on their vest, or on the lacing. As remember, I showed you a vest and a jacket earlier that had lacing in it. You can put your color that you like the most into that. And then needless to say, black usually comes with it. But then we have other colors like white, purple. These are just some of the colors that we have. You can see in the image, there are other colors that are available. The blue is really cute. And it might match your bike. It might match your outfit or whatever you decide to wear today. So having lacing available for you to replace it with. Some of these are suede on both sides. Some of them are leather on one side. But either way, they're a nice addition to make something a little more interesting. Side lace, change the color of the side lace that you wear on your vest. It's a great option. Also, jackets have side lacing as well, so you might want to consider that as an option as side lacing to replace, just to have a different side lace. Now, obviously, on vests it's usually 8 feet. On the jacket it's usually 4 feet because it's a lot shorter, and on some of the other accessories, like pants, might take about 16 feet. But that's because it's both sides. It's all the way down the leg. So it depends on which item you're looking at. There's a lot of options there, right, Mel?
Yes.
What color you like?
I like the purple. Purple's my favorite color.
She likes purple, so send purple gifts, okay? That's all I have to say. Mel wants gifts.
Come to Jammin' Leather. Ha 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 ha.